Spectroscope. Gym testing laboratories make use of a variety of instruments, both highbrow and low. Of primary importance are the microscope, refractometer, ultraviolet light, specific gravity equipment, and the spectroscope. Among these, the direct vision spectroscope is generally the most difficult to initially master. This fear factor leads students into a self-fulfilling cul-de-sac where lack of skill leads to lack of success and the eventual conclusion that the spectroscope is of little use. Nothing could be further from the truth. The spectroscope is one of the most powerful instruments in a gemologist's quiver. But like any weapon, you hit little if you depend on luck alone. You gotta practice. The tremendous value of the spectroscope as an analytical tool lies in its ability to save time in gym testing by providing initial identification of many gyms, with the microscope being the only other tool required. For example, let's say you are given a dark blue transparent stone set in a closed bag mounting. The construction of the mounting does not permit the refractometer to be used. With the microscope and fiber optic illumination, you locate a small well-formed transparent crystal in the gym and using the fiber optic light with the spectroscope you observe absorption lines in the blue region at 450, 460 and 470 nanometers, a typical iron cast visible light spectrum. The conclusion is obvious. This gem is a natural sapphire and the condition of the included crystal means the sapphire has not undergone high temperature heat treatment. A complete identification was possible in this case with just two instruments. An added bonus in this instance was that no refractometer was needed, which saves the contact surface of the hemicylinder for when it is actually required.
Five.